Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cover page in Microsoft Word. It's actually really simple. You just come here and press Insert, and then you're going to see this option right here that says Cover Page. So, you can have a good cover page. Is going to make a nice stylish impression to your document. So what you can do is just click on this. It's going to give you a bunch of templates. You can also get more templates coming from here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick, let's say, which one do I like? This one looks cool. Let's see what this is. I'm going to pick this on my cover page. So here, I can change the document title here. I can write uh, best document, and then you can add a subtitle and mess around with it by me, and you can tweak it around. You can change the formatting and everything. It's really easy and simple, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.